So looking down here, we have a S.A.P.R mod stock designed and developed by B5 Systems. This is the current military contract S.A.P.R mod stock, as well as we'll be showing some LMT S.A.P.R mod stocks today. So if you look at the S.A.P.R, we got the main assembly, mounting plate, and 2 mounting blocks with all the mounting hardware and the tool that comes with it. What we have done is we've removed the butt pad from the S.A.P.R mod stock to perform our installation. Installation is going to start with the mounting plate. You're going to pick it up. If you notice with the mounting plate, it matches the S.A.P.R mod butt stock to some degree. We have the same key that the butt pad has. So if you take the mounting plate, go ahead and insert it into the S.A.P.R mod stock just like this. If you guys look here on the S.A.P.R mod stock, we got 2 rectangular slots. That's where our mounting blocks are going to be going into. So go ahead and put the mounting plate in just like that. Flip it over. This gets a little tricky here. I always start with 1 mounting block. Kind of lock it in place there into that rectangular slot. Hold it in place. Kind of bring the stock around. Go ahead and take one of your installation bolts. And I like to just get them started. I don't cinch it down tight right off the bat. Go ahead and use the tool provided. Get those bolts started. This thing should take about 5 minutes to install. You don't need a special gunsmith or armor to do this. It's all user install. It's real simple. Okay, we've got that 1 mounting block in place. We're going to put the other one in place. Like I said, I'm just putting these things in kind of finger tight for now, and then we'll cinch it down. So you can see, just get them started in there. Just gets it to hold it in place. Okay, last mounting bolt. We go ahead and slip that in there. Once you got all the bolts in there, then you can kind of go around, just snug them up. Make sure everything is nice and tight. You don't need to go overboard on the tightness, just make sure it's firm. Okay, once you've installed the mounting plate, you're going to take your sub-assembly and you're actually just going to slip it right over the top, right onto those grooves. Should slip into place all the way down. And then what we do is we install the cross bolt, a little bit longer of a bolt. We install it right here on the side. And you're going to make this finger tight for the time being. Now, one of the designs of the S.A.P.R is we have designed for a full 1.5 inch adjustment for the cheek piece. And on top of that, we've also designed the butt plate section to be able to move up and down horizontally, well, vertically depending on how you're looking at it, and can also cant to fit the shoulder pocket or body armor that the user or operator is wearing. So what I tell people is to kind of find the cant that suits them the best, that fits them the best, depending on what they're wearing, if they're wearing body armor or nothing. And then what I do is I lock that into place and set my cant. And once the cant is set, I take my S.A.P.R mod butt pad that came off of my S.A.P.R mod stock, just go ahead and tow it in, snap it into place, and you're set. The next thing you got to do is just kind of set your adjustment for your cheek piece for whatever optic or weapon platform this will be going on. Once the height has been set, go ahead and just tighten that cross bolt down as tight as you can get it until this piece doesn't move up and down anymore. If you look on the other side, we have helicoils in here, so you're not going to strip it out. We did that on purpose. So now I got my S.A.P.R attached to a S.A.P.R mod, and it's ready to go onto a rifle.